peel. And now, let me show you. And you just
Oh yeah.
pop that open,
yeah.
and
There they go.
they're so much easier to peel when they're dry.
Yes. Okay.
Okay?
That'll be my favorite thing to do.
It is, baby. I'm
It's
telling you.
satisfying.
It is. Same way breaking beans, though. I'm telling you. Sit around and
Yes.
just break some beans, snap, snap.
Yeah, see, and that's what I like too. Just sit there and snap them. Look at my green beans. Got my okra. So where's the potatoes over here? You want some potatoes, honey? Sweet potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Which one did you say the best?
The red garnets.
The red garnets.
Might as well take a picture of this pretty cabbage head.
Look at that, and it is pretty. Oh, look at their wall. Get the wall too, honey. Oh, look at there.
Yeah, and this is the beginning. This is his parents. They did this for 35 years. We've been doing it for 30 now.
Wow.
What do you need, honey?
What a blessing.
Hey, how are you, honey?
Fine, how are you?
Fine, thanks.
I need 40. Honey.
No.
Thank you. You're welcome. I'm gonna get a couple. My cucumbers didn't do too good. I mean, I just put some in the salad yesterday, but they didn't do too good. I'm kind of sad about it.
Some people's haven't done well.
Yeah,
My in-laws, their cucumber patch, they got lots of cucumbers.
mine they look like a mess.
Oh.
They taste okay, but yeah, not so much. I'm gonna get two. Look at that cucumber.
Hey, how you facing?
You didn't? Cucumbers. I think I want some zucchini.
And they're 3 for $1, and then if you like to make bread, we've got big bread makers outside too. They're the same price.
Okay, I'm gonna saute these and eat these.
All of those? All right.
Ooh, look at this. Do you want any? Are these banana peppers mild? Banana peppers.
Yeah, no, those are
Sweet.
sweet. And the Cubanelles are...
I think I'm gonna do.
I know, she threw me all off. I had just a second, guys. Trying to...
Get a picture of them.
I can bag him up if you want to wait on him.
I gotta weigh them. So,
You want some peaches, honey?
and they're still going, so.
We're gonna get me two. What else I want? Look at the eggplant. You stopped using those though, didn't you? I'm gonna get some of these little potatoes for the seafood bouillon. Well, I'm steaming it, but anyway, I'm only gonna get about 6 little ones because I know I'm gonna waste them if I do any little tiny ones. Because I literally do be wasting these, don't I?
Okay.
Take our sign though.
That's okay.
I forgot to tell you, there was a spider yesterday right by my face at the back door. I was leaning over trying to take a sneak peek at Kitty,
Yeah.
and it was right by my face, and it had big old pinchers.
He was the only one I had.
I just got a bunch of onions. And then, what is this? Do I have some of this relish? This is extra hot, can't do it.
This one's pretty gross. You still want this?
I can't do no hot, but do we have the relish to really give me?
He had some weight on.
What are you gonna do with all
Some of
these
this?
peaches?
My son grandkids.
This is cherry, peach, strawberry. Oh, these are yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Red raspberry, blackberry.
If I know it's busted for all these
This is probably gonna be the bottom one.
peaches, then what you
Think
got
we should
over
get
there?
two?
Are we doing it
That,
separate?
this is
Yes,
hers.
Okay. All right.
25 what?
25 and a nickel.
I want some relish, but I want it to be mild. That's gonna be too high. I know it's gonna be too. What's this?
Sorghum.
We're getting back out here.
Say sorghum on it.
What is that? What do you use that for? It's like molasses?
I don't know. Probably.
Look.
Yeah.
Yours, honey?
Do you have any mild relish?
Yeah, we were out of the mild, out of the hot. All I got left's the extra hot.
All right.
And that's just bring your mouth off.
You see, and that's why I'm not touching it. Because I'm gonna do one. Let's mix them. I'm so excited.
You know what? I do that.
So excited. But this is Rhum's farm over in Muncie, Indiana. My sister and my mother always comes over here. They come to get the crowder peas, and so they send me out this way. So I'm coming to get some too. I had to put an order in for them, so hopefully I get some okra so I can make, I think I might even mix, babe, you know what? I'm gonna mix the okra with the zucchini and the squash. I bet it's gonna be good. And I'm gonna try her, is it okra patties? Okra patties for the first time. Never, ever, ever in my life have I ever tried that, but I have a new recipe from one of the owners here, so I'm so excited to try that. And I'm gonna bring you all in on that little cooking experience. So I'm so excited. So go ahead and take the tour.
Okay, now if you want a really good tip, go out there and stand in that okra patch with the beautiful yellow flowers since you're talking about the lake.
Oh my gosh. Let me go back.
Watch your step
All right,
up.
so I'm gonna go back here. I'm so excited.
Yeah, we just went through all these tomatoes.
Yes.
I mean, look at the beautiful yellow flowers out there.
Oh my
that
gosh.
is okra.
That's okra.
Yes.
All right, so I'm getting ready to go out here into the okra field. This is so freaking cool. I love like the country, just love farms, love gardens. You all know how I am. I'm not the best at it, okay? But I will try my hand at some almost anything, right? So I'm gonna put this all behind me so you can see. So all of that right there, even with the blossoms, it looks so pretty. That's the okra, right? Look at that. That is so pretty. So pretty. So I'm looking at the camera. This time I'm looking at the camera. Yeah, I don't care because I want y'all to be able to see. Oh, duh. Goofy me. I had my hand in the way. But all of this is the okra. Isn't it pretty? So I want to step down inside of it. And then look, it's all these tomatoes and all of the cabbage and the greens. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I love farms. And look at this tractor. Look at the tractor behind me. Isn't this cool? So I'm gonna walk down here too. Hopefully I don't step in any mud and get like, you know, all dirty out here because we are hanging out and celebrating our 18th wedding anniversary. So my husband brought me out here to the Rhum's farm that my mother and my sister have been telling me about. So I'm so excited to be here. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at all of this. Look at this. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven.